Good morning, guys. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. But in East African time, it's in the morning. Welcome back to I am Zach _001 channel. I'm starting my video here in my Kizo KE site. I just arrived here for the work of we wanna fix up the window today. As you can see in my hand, I'm carrying an axle. This is used to cut the steels. Yeah, good morning, guys. Thank you for the ones who have subscribed to my channel. Thank you for the ones who have viewed my channel and the likes. I really appreciate them, guys. Yeah, keep me pushing, and I'll keep on showing you more videos. As you can see, whatever you can see behind me is just a shop of my brother Mike. We built it in December. Right now it's gonna be like a year ever since we built this kind of shop. Yeah, as you can see right now, we are Mike is okay. His side home is near the school. That's the shop that we've been building. We built it in December. It belongs to Mike. And as you can see, this is a small center. Right now I've just arrived here in the site whereby we want to start our job for today. And I've just met my mate here. We are going to work with him, with the masons. I don't know if Nick Builder and his friend. Thank you guys for subscribing to my channel once again, for viewing it, and the comments. I'm also appreciate them. Just keep me pushing. The journey is now heading to 100 subscribers, guys. Right now I'm at 75, which makes me proud, and I appreciate that. As an African, I appreciate it very well. Yeah, just go to my YouTube channel. My YouTube channel name is I am Zach _001, and you'll find my amazing videos there. You can see the house, the unfinished mansion is here. We have arrived here for the work of the windows. The spaces you're seeing there is for the windows. I thought that was the thing that we were told to do today. And it's like we are the first people to come. The masons are not still yet here, so we'll just wait for the way forward. But the good thing is just we are here. Yeah, guys, I am Zach. This is I am Zach _001. Thank you for subscribing again once more. This is our village, Ngunya village. As you can see, a quite peaceful village. Let me just see whatever we are going to do here.
These are the grills, I mean the windows. These are our windows. They just arrived right now in the morning. Nyalo rideba ditiendi. Bedi kitang. Focus gumalo kono mostly. Mano koiro tiendi. Madong mbele ka. Of course, ne watiyo kodi nini irogo kisima cha. Mondo bed motego. Panga bangi dhot kanyo. Gino chiko. Drishe. Onge modong kono. Ha? Poko tiek moko? So the windows have arrived. These ones are for the toilet. Toilet windows are here. Small ones. Yeah. Zack.
Yeah. Yeah, guys, that's the offloading of the windows, and I think just right now we are gonna start the work immediately. As you can see, they are really looking good, with a good shape, and I can see they uses the gun metal. Yeah, or metal grade. This is metal grade. I think it's gun metal. This is not black, guys. These are for this is metal gray. They are really looking back. that's the process, guys. And this side you can see the settings have just begun. This is the setting.
Mako malere kabisa.
Welcome back, guys, to I am Zach underscore 001 channel. This is whatever we are doing, setting the windows and ensuring that everything is good. We are here at my Kizoke East side. This is the bathroom window, or the washroom window, sorry. It's gonna be put up here in this space. As you can see, it is just exactly the size of the thank you guys for my subscribers. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. Keep me pushing and I'll keep on trying make more videos. We have another bathroom too here, and its window is also here. The size is quite good enough, not that small. Guys, right now everything is going well. We are proceeding as planned. We are just in front of here. You can see the feature of the house, how structure is coming very good. We are almost done with the two windows, almost, but not done. You can see the way they are very good in shape. Leveling has taken place there very well, and a plumber has also been used here so that the window becomes very straight as whatever you can see there. Beside me, what you can see is Nick Builder, and he's the one who's operating here. Thank you guys for supporting us on YouTube channel and encouraging us so that we can be doing more and more of the videos. I am Zach underscore 001. Right now we are in my Kizoke East side. You can see this bedroom one. It was a 3-bedroom mansion, this one. Right now we are working on the windows. Guys, we are using the plumb bob. The plumb bob need to be in a line with the frame.
Go, Martin. Go. Go. Gino nkanya. Wembe. Kabiro ya wembe. Kabiro ya wembe.
That's the process right now. I'm really glad that we are using everything possible to ensure that the work comes neat. The plumb bob is done in both sides. We are going to ensure that at last the plumb bob lies in the frame of the window. You see? That's the process right now, and we are progressing well. Let me wear this my cape to prevent myself from direct sunlight.
Yeah, the kabiro. We usually call it kabiro in our language, Kiswahili, yeah, and in English is the plumbob. Yeah, plumbob with this one, the foot, the tape measure, and the rope realignment bar. Yeah, what of all the tolero. Nan gine Muslim.
Guys, this is the part that we are working on, the gable. You can see it's looking good, and today we are on the windows.
You know, you first put the rope at least downward.
Yeah, right now I'm working with Nick, Builder, and Eric. Oh, so they don't have a lock yet. I think the lock will be put in the hooks. Everything is progressing well, guys. Inside the house is not installation of windows only, but I can see electricians are also doing their job. The house, meaning that the house is also coming to an end. Yeah, the pipes are all over the house. Even the power box is here. But that's for electricians. For us, we just came to ensure that the windows fit where they need to be. I'm really glad that my brother Mike is doing a great job here in their home, which attracts many of passerby. As you can see, their home is also located beside the road as ours, but ours is beside the road more beside the road than this one, because for them you can see they still have a space whereby Mike build a small shop in front there, and their home is behind it. But for us, it's home and then road. Yeah, I am Zach _001, guys. The pipes are all over. Back here the work is progressing. The window is in the position. The only remaining thing is the setting, and it will be all done. Thank you guys for keep watching in my YouTube channel. Subscribe in my YouTube channel. I am Zach _001. Yeah, right now I'm in Ngunya. Ngunya is found in East Africa, guys, Kenya. Yeah, known very well, a country that is known very well for its swell producers, athletes and sports. Yeah, something like that. Right now I'm in Kenya, in a village called Ngunya, whereby we were building this big mansion you're seeing here, a 3-bedroom mansion. But right now we are just touching the unfinished parts, just to ensure that we earn a living by the end of the day. Thanks for the encouragement, guys, you've been giving me in YouTube, and I'll make sure that I produce more and more of the videos. As we expected, guys, Right now we are behind the house. My colleague here is just using the mason hammer and a tindo. And Nick Builder here is setting the small window. Again, back here is the use of plumb bob everywhere. As you can confirm, guys, it has to be in line with the frame. Yeah. That's what I'm telling them, that everywhere we are using a plumb bob. Yes, Mike.
Are you learning something?
Yeah. You know how to use the plumb bob also. You just learn it by the look of eyes.
You just see and you learn.
Yeah. No one will tell you how to use it. Yeah.
Yeah, sure. So that will be a pantry window.
Yeah, guys, we've been progressing well since morning, and I can see only 2 pieces of windows remaining outside there, to means that the work is going very well. The master bedroom is almost done. We are only remaining with the washroom, the window, this window, and this is the washroom, large enough. You can see how smart the windows look. Yeah, they are really adorable. And the setting, yeah. Hello guys, let me just introduce you to one of my friend here in home, my YouTube friend, and he's an electrician. Yeah, guys, I have a friend who is an electrician, the one you are seeing in front of me. He'll just give himself a shower and let's know how we can find him. Yeah. Hello Deno.
Yes.
Yeah, you can introduce yourself.
I'm the electrician.
Yeah.
I'm doing the piping for this building.
Okay.
So it's a good friend of mine. We were together when this house was started. And up to now, we are going on well with our piping.
Okay.
As Zach is also going on with the mason work. And we are doing great.
Yeah. I can see also you are progressing well.
Yeah.
Because it's like you are also plastering, you are going while...
I'm reinforcing them.
Okay.
What I'm doing is reinforcing them with a mortar.
So that they can stay firm.
They can be firm,
Okay.
strong, so that when the plastering starts, it's look good.
Okay.
Align with so I want just confirm to
Okay.
my YouTube channel.
Oh, so guys, here in Gunya village, you can see we are growing up in the YouTube. Everyone is coming up with the YouTube. They know here is also saying that it has a channel, which I have also not subscribed to the channel. I'm gonna subscribe right now after seeing the channel. Let's just view it together, guys.
So this is the spreading oil.
Let's see. Guys, keep us pushing. Just support us. Subscribe to our channel.
The electrician.
Here it is, guys.
Just subscribe to
The no electrician.
subscribe button. Support me. Comment in anything that I may have left here that we can install when at this time when we are doing piping. We provide the solution. Thank you.
Continue the same series, brother. And I know that God will not leave you outside when He's choosing His own people. Yeah, guys, you can see whatever has been going on here. This is the work of Deno. And it's not coming far. It's just coming from this our own village. And the piping has just run all over the house. I can see how good it is. The power house is here. The master bedroom pipes have already run everywhere, which means that Deno is really doing a good job, guys. Go there, search him. They know electrician. Yeah, they know electrician. I'm also going to subscribe to his channel right now. Let's keep him pushing. Keep me pushing. I am Zach_001. And together we grow Ngunya Village to a world of YouTube. Yeah. Right now you can see the sitting room is also done. The piping is done everywhere. I love the work that I'm seeing here. Then also has his co-worker here. He's really doing an amazing job. They are both good at what they are doing. Yeah, I really appreciate whatever is going on here. Back to where I am belonging. This is where I'm working with two of the masons, Nick, Builder, and Eric. Yeah, ensuring that the windows stay, each and every window stay in its position. Oh, kachantie dirisha mama ten. Kacha. Meter box. Oh. So I thought this was a small window, but I'm being rectified that is a space for meter box. Actually, I didn't expect it like that, but it's something really looking digitalized. Yeah. Yeah. Here in the site, guys. Good afternoon, guys. Welcome back to I am Zach_001 channel. We are here in the site. Whatever you can see is going on. The fixing of the windows. We are done with that part. It truly looks amazing. Yeah. Everyone would like to have such a mason who can do a clean work like this. This is the work of Nick Builder, guys. If you go to YouTube, search his page, Nick Builder, you'll see such an amazing videos like these ones. Guys, the house. So here, you can see the type of window have been put there to mean that the upper space will be filled with bricks or concrete. Yeah, guys, that's it. You can see how steady the windows look like. Yeah. This is what we've been doing since morning, and we are not here alone. This is also the works of electricians. The pipes have run all over the house. The power box is there, and right now we are just fixing up the window. This is the master bedroom, for those who don't know. Large enough, and with the washroom there. You can see how the house was created structure. This is the sitting room, and the sitting room, not sitting room, sorry, this is the dining room, I think so. Sitting room must be there, and this is a dining with an opening, both two windows, to ensure that the one who is enjoying his or her meal should not feel a lot of heat. And you can also see the kitchen window. It's also located, the kitchen is also located in a good position whereby you can cook, you can have your top. I think you can have your top here while cooking and seeing outside. Yeah, the top should be here, I think so. The L. It will come up very good. Yeah, guys, we are fixing the last window of the house so that you can start filling them with the mortar. Sana ananua kabiro dito kaka spirit level. To mane gima no mi the right thing. Kabiro kiongozi na level By the look of things, guys, you can see how the windows have been made with such spaces, which means that it will consume a lot of mirrors. Yeah, I think so. Lot of mirrors. These such spaces, I think all of them will be filled with the mirror. Yeah, to mean that the work is still not yet done, because this is just a structure of the window. We've not brought you anything inside about these windows. They are just structure. The mirrors are not yet ready, and I think that by the time they'll be done with it, the house will bring such an beautiful shape, and it is located beside the road. That's an advantage which will make many people to admire it. You know, when you admire something, you can say, who built that house for you, so that you can come build for me. That's what has happened here with our boys at work. Everything is possible. Right now we are in my Kilo's home. This is the ground, how do we call them? The remains of the late house. Yeah, there was a small house here. It was like a 1 bedroom, but not a permanent one. So we demolished it and scattered everything up here. This is wherever you can see we scattered them up here, and right now we have suddenly put on another structure in this land, and this one will stay here for as long as people live in this. Yeah, that's what I know with permanent houses. They used to be there, even if the owner is not there. They always used to live there because that's what we call permanent. Yeah. What I'm seeing up here is Nick fixing up with the last window. The use of plumber is everywhere, guys. In each and every window we go through, we must use it. Keep on subscribing to my channel, guys. I am Zak_001. Right now I'm in Gunya village. Gunya is found in Kenya, guys. We are Kenyans, Africans, just trying to earn a living by doing whatever come upon that can be done to earn a living. And also I'll have to show my subscribers whatever I'm doing by the end of the day. Stay tuned, guys. I am Zak_001. Yeah, I am a YouTuber content creator, and wherever you can see, right now we are in the site. You can wonder why I'm recording and not working. It's only that we are fixing the windows, and I've already done every part that should be done. The only remaining part is for the builder himself to fuse his experience there. As you can see, guys, the wall is straight, and the window also just went that one straight. Maram nade. I think we're gonna need to put some mortar so that we can fill in. And I think we're gonna just start with 1 wheelbarrow of sand. That's what I heard them saying. This is our sand. Yeah, my workmate is here. Yes. We just wanna mix the concrete, and we have been given a portion to start with 1 wheelbarrow. Here we have our 1 bag of cement. Don't worry why it's the small portion, because it's just for filling the gaps to ensure that the windows stay firm.
it okay?
Yeah. After that, I think we're gonna add some little cement on top of it. Guys, actually keep supporting us, and we will continue keep working hard like this. You can see right here in our village, you have to work hard so that you can earn something at the end of the day. After that, we're gonna add some little cement. Yeah, we're gonna just open it and add like almost a half, but not a half. You know these things, yeah? What can you say about that one, Walter? Should I add more?
Add another one. We need a we need a farm thing. As we do farm things. Yes, I can see that one. It's now okay.
Okay, yeah. Very quick. We do this to ensure that the mixture of sand and cement mix very well. Yeah, after that, guys, we're gonna add some water in which we'll use it to stir. Yeah, this is the water, guys. So I was worrying about water and what is here. You're gonna help me with the cam.
Ready?
Cam.
Okay, thank you.
What's up, guys? The concrete is already here for the work. Yeah, I heard that it's a mortar. Eric said it's a mortar. Yeah.
With the mixture of sand, water, and cement. Yeah, that is it. Continue watching. And in case you're new here, consider subscribing and press the notification bell so that at least you just get to know whenever I post, even whenever I bring. And thank you so much for those who usually watch my video, and each and every person. I really appreciate for the work, the good work you really do to me. Yeah. So guys, this is the way. You first start applying the mortar on it and then start fixing it. Just watch until things will just be okay. That is it. That is it. That is it.
And this is how the window is put into its position firmly.
Usually you need to look for the stand.
Yeah, actually that stand, you know, with no stand it makes me difficult to work and record.
Yeah, for sure.
Yeah, I had to do some of my work very fast so that I can get some minutes. But with stand I can just work while recording, yeah?
Yeah, for sure.
I'll try hard my best
Thank you so
to.
much, our mom, there for supporting me with the stand. Right now, I'm just using it.
Yeah, this is the stand Nick is talking about. Guys, as you can see, it's always good. It helps. You just put your phone there, do your work as usual, and still record whatever you are doing. But as for me, I had to give it to someone to catch for me so that I can work while recording.
But you know, slowly is the best.
Yeah.
You need to work for it.
I'll just work and collect some money, I know. By the end of the day, one day I'll just get my own stand.
Yeah. Podi.
That's how Nick Builder is dealing with it going. And I'm just here available for anything if he wants, in case he wants anything. And in this side you can see also Eric continuing very well. It's only that, yeah, you can see the space and the finished part with the unfinished part. The one is doing inside and the other one is doing outside, so that don't minno kwa kete ko certain saying that here you don't put the way we always put it normal amount of cement. You add more
So that it can touch that
it can become more conk. Yeah, cement always help there.
Where's the ham?
This is how we are progressing, guys, at my Kizoke East site. You can see this is a village, Ngunya village. And for this structure you're seeing down here, it needs to be up there. I think you can see the shape. That shape is just exactly what is down here. Yeah, I love the way Mike is doing his things. Hope even for me, when I wanted to do some project, I should be planned the way I see Mike is planned. Everything is going according to his plan, guy. Well, it was building, we built very well. With the roofing, they roof very well. right now you can see the windows are being done very well. That's something amazing. And I always love to watch the Mike Kizoke's channel, you know. There are always amazing videos there. So right now we are in his home. I'm not watching, rather than I'm working with him. Yeah. Hope one day I'll find a chance to face him in my camera and have a word with him. Guys, you'll see him who is Mike Kizo, and wherever he has where he got me from, he got to know me, and whatever through him has been, I've got to. By the way, actually through Mike, I've got to know many people, many subscribers, many gifts. I can't recount the moments that actually I got an accident here in home. There was an incident I was attacked here in home. Mike came through, and that's something that makes me even available wherever he needs me. Yeah, you know, someone who is available when you're in problem, he should be available when he is in a problem also. But here is not a problem, here is a work. We are here for the work, and if it was not for work, you wouldn't have been here, because we only belong to where there's work. I am Zach _001 here. Subscribe to my channel, guys. Everyone is busy here. Be the electrician, be the masons. Everyone is busy. The mortar is here for the fixing of the windows. Welcome back, guys. As you can see, the work is progressing well. We are here and the mortar is almost done. That means we're gonna add some more. And I'm with Nick Builder. Inside here I'm having a mason called Eric. I don't know where he is. You can see the work. Eric is doing a great job, guys. Filling in the windows to ensure that they are firm enough. You can see the work that Nick Builder has been doing outside here, guys. It truly looks amazing, yeah? Some flowers for him. I love it. And this part, it's only remaining with this special place. Stay tuned, guys, because right now we're gonna add some more mortar. So guys, welcome back to I am Zach _001 channel, guys. As you can see, the work is over, and right now we just wanna go home. We are doing just the cleaning and going home. You can see what we've done since morning. We were filling in the windows and use the mortars to make them firm everywhere. So guys, this is the way forward. You can see what we've been doing here since morning, and the electricians have also been doing their job well. I appreciate to our subscribers for keeping us pushing, yeah? Keep on subscribing to our channel, guys, and we'll be keeping on producing more videos here in village as you wishes. Right now we just wanna head home, and thank you for watching my videos. Keep on watching and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I am Zach _001. Which will make me proud if you subscribe to my channel. Right now I'm at 75 subscribers and looking forward to 100 subscribers. Thank you guys for keeping me up. Yeah. Also for the viewers, the likes and the comments. I can't forget them. Thank you very much. Keep on pushing us.
But right now, you know, I am already, yeah, I finished. I am part. I think I will just